All right, guys, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers. We are in the YEBLOCK project, and I'm going to be showing you how you can update your app to the latest version, because they just roll it out and it is the process is a bit difficult. So I decided to make a video so that you can understand it and then know exactly what to do. I've introduced this project to the community. I think I just did it some weeks or a week back, and I believe that you are actively mining. This is a project that is showing a lot of promising future, and that is why I strongly believe and I want to encourage you to make sure that you are mining this project. Don't fade this project. Don't be part of those who are going to ignore this project. These are the same statements I used when I was introducing the VERYCHAT token, and as at now, so many people have been booking out profits. Booking out profit. They are not even waiting for the listing, and they are already chopping money. So I don't know if you are seizing these opportunities, and if you are not seizing it, make sure that you start right now. Airdrops have changed to a system that is actually paying the community right now without even waiting for the listing. It is not just the project, so it's all left for you to just position and then position right. Now let's come back to this so that I can quickly show you how you can update your app, and then we can process that. But before we go into that, if you are new into this channel, or if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. If this version is no longer supported, please update to continue. So we are updating. This is the current version where we are in, and we are upgrading to this particular version right here. Now, for you to even get to this page, you need to make sure you have your VPN turned on. If you don't have your VPN, you might be having a little bit issues. I've made a video how to resolve these problems, and I believe that you have watched that video and you are making good use of it. So once you turn on your VPN, you're going to come over here, click on update now, and then all you need to do is just relax back and let it download. And like I said, this project, if you look at the mining rate, is a bit very slow compared to other projects. What we are mining right now, everybody is mining less than one. So imagine when they start to employ the hiving, when they start to apply hiving to their mining mechanism, oh boy, it is going to be more tough. Now whenever you see this mechanism when it is being hard to mine tokens like this, expect that the price will definitely be good. Why? Because they don't want it simply means that the supply will not be much. That is why they are giving it small. And in my video when I was introducing this project, I told you that the total supply is just about 121 million. Now we are going to come back to that. Now we have come over to this page. You need to come and turn this on, and then once you click on that, you just go back. So once you go back, you can see now it's showing. I will just click on package installer. So this particular one might be different. It depends on your phone and how it is. So depending on your phone, I'm going to choose package installer and then click on just once, and then click on update now. So you can see it's currently updating. So the update has applied. So I'll just go ahead and then click on open, and then once you click on open, you relax back and then wait for it, let it load up. So it has come over here. So what you need to do is just go ahead, enter your email, then your password, and then you log in. So you need to be coming over to claim right here, and that is it. It's very simple. This is the only place where you need to be claiming. So you just simply click like that, and it will claim and then add up to whatever thing you have here. And then, like I've told you, they have hived their mining, so it is getting more tougher, more difficult to be able to mine. If you don't log in to claim, the claiming is going to, you can see, read like right here, referral check-in earnings close if on claim within 48 hours. So when you refer people, your tokens are going to appear here. Your referral bonus is going to appear here. If you don't claim it within 48 hours, it will close, it will disappear. That is why you need to make sure that at least within every 30 hours, that is if you can't be coming to every 24 hours, at least every 30 hours or so, make sure that you come back and be able to claim your tokens so that you can be mining and claiming more of the token. Now the new upgrades now have assets right here, the asset section right here, and if you come over to it, you can see they are beginning to enter other assets, other tokens. You can see it right here. You see. So this is our YPT, that the name of their token. So this is it right now. So when our tokens will be migrated, we are going to receive them here. That is after our KYC. Your tokens will come here, so you will receive them right here, and then you'll be able to withdraw. You'll be able to also deposit, and very swift right here. It's a wallet. This is like a wallet. You can also keep BTC in it, keep USDT, keep Ethereum, keep BNB, keep USDC, and just like that XRP. You can also deposit them right here, and then you can also withdraw them right now. But I won't advise you to do all of that. So now the main thing is for you to be mining. Now you can also head over to X, and then you are also going to be following them so that you can be getting updates, their information, what they are up to. And if you look right here, they just made this particular post, I think yesterday or on the 3rd of August, and they said that blockchain schedule reward reduction for August 4th to August 5th at this time. So there has been a halving, like a mining reduction within this period. So which means if you refer somebody, you are going to get this as at before if you refer somebody, you are going to get this 1.2. So but now within this time they reduce it to just 0.7. so if you invite somebody, if a friend join using your link, instead of getting this within this period, you are going to get this. For the check-in, instead of getting this, you just get this. You see, you just get 3 every 24 hours. Referral bonus reduced from this to this per team. You can see right here. So referral bonus also reduced from this to this. This is for direct. So this one is if this is direct check-in. So this is for the people that you invited, your own referrals. So this one is for people that join through like, let's say I invite you and then you invite somebody. If I invite you, I will earn some bonus from you. If you invite another person, I will still also have another person. The same way, if you invite somebody, you are going to earn a bonus from that person. If that person invites another person, you are also going to get a bonus. So that is what this second referral right here stands for, the second party referral. So that is how they have been running their system. So this project, I strongly feel that it is going to really be a strong project. So for you that has not started mining, or that is still feeling somehow, well, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. All you need to do is go ahead, click on it, and then register. I've created a video on the step-by-step process on how to create an account and then be mining. So you need to just go through my YouTube channel, and then you're going to see that video, and then follow the process. You need to follow the process. If not, you will not get it. You will not get it right. You see that I'm telling you, you need to use VPN. So that's it, guys, and that's what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. If you're new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video project.